Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this natural builder gel together. So I'm removing the oil from the plate of the nails. That is what I'm just doing now. When I finish with that, I will scrape the natural nail gently with my hand file. That is what I'm just doing. I do everything on the file nails. Keep on watching and see what I'm doing on the video. I'm done with that. The next thing is to push my cuticle back before we continue the next process. So I'm going to push the cuticle back for the 5 nails as well. Just push it gently because it's natural nails. You don't have to just force some nails. I'm just fast forward the video. That is why you see me doing it fast. But normally I do it gently because it's natural nails, as I said before. Just do it for the 5 nails and we'll continue the next process. I just dust the nail. The next thing I will buff it. When I finish with the buffing for the 5 nails as well, I will use my glass nail file to file the nail. Glass nail file is really good for natural nail because it's really soft on the nail. That is what I'm just doing here right now. I'm using my glass nail file to file it. When I finish with that, I just buff it again. I'm done with the filing. The next thing is to use my dehydrator for the nail. So when I'm done with that also, I will use nail primer. What does those things do? The dehydrator remove the oil and the nail primer make it to last long. So now I'm using my nail primer. So when I finish with that, we move on to the next level, which is the builder gel for our natural nails for today. This is the builder gel we are using for today. I'm going to add thin layer for the natural nail. So after then, I will put glitter on this nail. So she want glitter on this natural nail for today. So I will put thin layer, very tiny. So that's what I'm doing. And just take it gently. And if you touch screen, try to clean it before you cure the nail. So this is the glitter we are using for today. I'm going to apply the glitter like French nails. So that is what she wants. That's what I'm just doing. Don't be hurried, just take it easy. It's beginner friendly. You see, I'm cleaning the corner because before you cure it, just try to clean it. If you doesn't do that, you will have lifting. So after that, I will cover it with another gel. I already cured the nail for 30 seconds. What I'm doing now I'm just building the nails to give the natural nails a little bit of strength. It's builder gel, of course, so we need to build it. I'm just building it right now, side to side. It's beginner friendly. So practice make perfect, guys. You can do it, okay? But yeah, keep on watching. Let's continue. I continue with the rest finger. So I'm going to do the same thing for the 5 nails. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. We all are learning together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Thank you as you do so. Let's continue the video, guys. I am done with the nails, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm just removing the sticking layer on the nail. So just with alcohol, 90% of alcohol, just remove the tacking layer. When I finish with that, I just file it a little bit to give it a good smooth before we add top coat. So we don't use any other nail polish, we just use top coat because we have glitter and they want to have it just like natural color. That is, I dust it out. So the next thing we are going to add top coat. We are almost done, guys. Let's continue. This is the top coat we are using for today. So I'm going to put it just the way we do for the very first time. So I'm going to put it for the 5 finger as well. So when we're done with the top coat, we just cure it for another 60 minutes. After then, we put cuticle oil. We are done, guys. We are done. It was easy, right? Of course it is. If I can do it, you too can do it. So now I'm just putting cuticle oil so that it can moisturize the skin. That is what we are doing now. Just massage it into the skin, as you can see what I'm just doing as demonstrating on the video. So just let's see the way it come out, guys. Let's see the way the nails come out. I think it really come out nice. You can see it so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share to friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye bye.